Here's a look at the Wolfang line of action cameras and all the accessories that come with these cameras. Now, depending on which model you buy, you may get slightly different items. But today, we'll be checking out the Wolfang GA420 and show you how all these accessories work. First off, batteries. Now, this camera comes with 2 batteries, and they're very easy to install. Just open the hinged door on the bottom of the camera and slide the battery into place. Now, to charge the battery, you'll find there's a little door on the side. Open that up, and that reveals a USB port. This camera comes with a USB cable. Just plug the small end into the camera, and then the larger end plugs into a power plug or a computer or a power bank. All these cameras come with a waterproof housing rated to a depth of 40 meters. Installing the camera is really simple. Just open the back door, slide the camera in, then secure this latch onto the ridge on the back of the door, then snap it down into place, and you've created a watertight seal. You get a 2-function remote control with this camera and a Velcro strap that just slides in the slot on the bottom, then through the slot on the top. Now you can wear it like a watch. And before you use a remote, you have to activate it. So you push both buttons, hold it for about 5 seconds, and these little LEDs come on. The white button, if you push that, the little red LED lights up, and the camera begins recording video until you push it again. The red button here, if you push it, the LED lights up and the camera will snap a still picture. During my testing, this remote worked up to a distance of about 40 feet away from the camera. There is an external clip-on microphone that will allow you to get much better audio recordings. Simply plug this microphone into the USB slot on the camera, then clip the other end of the microphone onto your shirt or jacket, and you're all set to record great audio. With the 1/4-inch tripod socket on the bottom of this camera, it's very easy to attach a selfie stick or a tripod. There are many other mounting options using all of the included adapters. For instance, with the underwater housing, you can use this tripod adapter. It just slides into these slots, and then you position this bolt, slide it in, and tighten it. And now you can thread it onto a regular tripod or a selfie stick. Or you can use one of these base plates along with a quick release bracket. You get 2 base plates. One is flat and one is slightly curved for mounting on a helmet. Simply peel off the paper to reveal the adhesive tape, and now you can mount it wherever you want. In this case, we're going to put it on this helmet. Now you can take one of these quick release brackets, just slide it into the housing here, and take the bolt and fasten it in so it's good and tight. And now you can simply snap it onto the base, and you're all set to go. There's also a supplied handlebar attachment that attaches with 2 bolts, so you can mount your camera to your bicycle. You also get this extension bracket with a 90-degree angle. That way, your camera will be facing forward. And of course, you can use all these brackets without the underwater housing, simply by using this tripod adapter. It screws into the bottom of your camera, and now you can use any of these other adapters. And finally, a nice item supplied with most of these cameras is a lint-free cleaning cloth, perfect for removing all those fingerprints from the lens.